In this video we are going to discuss about boiler circulation and response to its malfunction. In natural circulation boilers, the steam drum is used to separate steam from water by scrubbers and other mechanical equipment. Once the steam is separated, it flows to the superheated and main steam equipment with the outflow replenished by adding feed water to the drum. Natural circulation within the boiler causes the feed water to flow from the steam drum through the downcomers to the boiler furnace. When the water reaches saturation temperature, it flows back to the steam drum due to a change in density. Steam and water are again separated in the steam drum and the cycle continues. The change in pressure will cause a change in both the boiling point and density of the water and steam. These combined reactions will cause the level in the steam drum to increase or decrease rapidly. The increase and decrease in the water level caused by the pressure change are commonly referred to as the swell and shrink reactions. The swell and shrink reaction is in the opposite direction to the normal behavior of the boiler process. Thus, swell and shrink reactions adversely affect the control of steam drum level. If the steam output from the boiler is reduced suddenly, the pressure will increase in the boiler circuit. This increase of pressure will cause the drum level to shrink initially and then increase due to the higher inflow than outflow. The inverse is true when the steam output from the boiler is increased suddenly. Unstable energy input to the boiler can also cause pressure changes that result in the same swell and shrink reactions, making control of the steam drum level extremely difficult. Plant response to these problems. Low drum level alarm. Very low drum level trip. Immediate boiler desk operator action. Start reserve feed pump if needed. Change to manual feed water control if required. Never bypass the very low drum level trip. Trip the unit if the visible level goes out even if auto did not act. Immediate local operator action. Check the tripped pump, rectify cause and inform boiler desk operator that it is ready for restart. Check for possible tube leak in furnace first and other areas if needed. Check drum drain and low point drain for possible opening. Check the feed water auto controller in local and inform condition. Also arrange for rectification. Check feed controller for any link failure. Immediate local operator action.